to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the December Glossybox. Now it's a bit different from every normal box because this one is in a beautiful tin, as you can see. So I'm going to show you everything that is inside this month's beautiful box for December. Also, quickly before I show you the products that is inside this month's box, I do have a discount code for Revolution Beauty which I can share with families and friends, which will be at the end of this video. So if you have a few more Christmas presents to buy for, or you just want to buy a little treat for yourself, then keep watching this video, because at the end of this video I will have a discount code for you guys, so please keep watching. This is the December Glossybox. It's in a beautiful tin. It's so beautiful, so magical as well. So if I open it up for you guys, I will show you everything that is inside. Look at that. So as normal, you have a beautiful ribbon, which I will just open up, and you have the beautiful leaflet inside. This is the Moonlight Glow box. It has everything you need to know about the products inside. When I first opened this, I was so excited because there is beautiful products in here. So as you can tell, I have already opened this beautiful box. So the first thing that caught my eye was this. So this is the Elemis. Sorry guys, I think the ring light is a little bit too strong. I hope you guys can see. If not, I'll bring it closer. This is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. There we go. I hope you guys can see that. I have one of these before out of my other boxes, and these are absolutely incredible. If you guys have seen my skincare collection, you guys would have known that I had a few bits of Elemis anyway, which I'm literally obsessed with. Then the next one I have is this beautiful Spectrum brush. So this is the B08 Magic Wand brush, and I'm telling you now, it's beautiful because not only is it packaged in a beautiful package, but look how amazing and stunning this brush is. So the actual brush is pink, then you've got the gold bit here, and then you've got the blue handle which has got the gold writing on, which is Spectrum. It's absolutely stunning and lovely. I absolutely love the packaging. It's absolutely incredible. Next thing inside your December box, this is an extra little treat. So this is a tester of a perfume, which is cologne, which is the 003. So it's a little tester of the cologne you can actually purchase as well. So I have not even opened this yet because I don't know what the smell is like, but when I do, I will try and remember to let you guys know. But this is the little treat you get in this month's box. Then also you have this beautiful face palette. This is the LA Splash Cosmetics Moonlight Glow face palette, and it's absolutely incredible. Look at them stunning colours. You got Moonlight Rose, Blushing Luna, Bronze Goddess, highlighter. I hope I said that right, but it's absolutely stunning packaging. It's beautiful, absolutely lovely. So you got 2 blushes, 1 bronzer and 1 highlighter. The next product is this. This is the Beauty Pro Retinol Under Eye Patches. Now if you've never used the under eye patches before, I highly recommend, because I absolutely love them so much. It even says you've got to leave them on for 20 minutes, but if you don't know how to use them and you've never used them before, they are literally on the back of the packaging of how to use them. They are so beautiful. So if you've got dark circles underneath your eyes, or you've been up for work so early and you've got literally bags and bags under your eyes, then this little guy will help you along the way. So the last thing I have is this. So this is the Brave New Hair mask. I have not actually smelt it yet, so I will actually smell it now. Oh, if you love the smell of almonds and coconuts, anything like that kind of smell, then this is right up your street. It's absolutely beautiful, it smells incredible, and it's a hair mask, so every hair needs a good conditioning. So guys, that is everything in this month's box. I will leave Glossybox's website in the description box below for you guys, and where you can subscribe to them. They are a subscription service. You can choose a plan that suits you. You can cancel at any time as well. So if you get one box and you're not very interested and you do not want to purchase them anymore, you can cancel any time. I highly recommend them. I absolutely, literally in love with them, because you get products in your boxes that you've never even used before. And if you're like me and you love like Elemis products and brushes and stuff like that, then you guys are gonna love these. Plus, every month they do like different kind of style boxes. That some of them, well, most of them actually come in baby pink boxes every month, but they have new designs every month for like Halloween and everything else. They do have a Christmas one, which I think I've ordered. I'm hoping I can still get it because it ran out of stock just before I placed the order, so hoping I can still get it. But if I can, then I will do a video for that, guys. But I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys for Glossybox. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed unboxing with me. Like I said, I will leave everything you need to know about the Glossyboxes in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check them out. Maybe next year is your year to try out new products. I'm literally in love with the Glossyboxes. They are so beautiful. They come every day. They come to your door every month. You can try out new products. If you've tried out loads of products before and you're thinking, oh my god, I wish I had this again and I wish I had this again, you never know, they might put it in another box. Another box which is like this, which is also a love and favourite of mine, is Look Fantastic. As well, I will leave their link in the description box below for you guys as well, so you can go and check them out. But they are absolutely incredible. I love them hand on heart. Like I said, you can have all your favourite products in there. You can have high-end products, you can have drugstore products. There's loads of products in there that you've never even heard of, never even tried. So they are very much worth your money. Again, they are a subscription service which you can choose the plan for you that suits you and your money budgets as well. Also, you can cancel at any time as well. So if you've been subscribed for a couple of months and you're not happy or you don't want them anymore, you can cancel at any time. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I have a little discount code for you guys. So if you guys are a lover of Revolution and you love all their products, you want to treat yourself before Christmas, or you have actually more Christmas presents to buy for and you don't know what to get, then this will help for you guys. So I have a discount code on Revolution Beauty only, and it is, I will leave the code up on the screen as well and in the description box below for you guys. It is all in capitals, Christmas FF25, not Christmas Xmas, not Christmas, Xmas FF25. I got this discount code from work and they said I can give it to friends and family. I've already gave it out to my friends and family as well, and I class you guys as basically family slash friends because you love watching my videos and you're there for me. So I'm giving you guys this discount code as well, so you can use it whenever, however you like. You can either use it for more Christmas presents or you can treat yourself. The only thing is, the discount code only lasts between now and the end of Christmas Eve, so you have plenty of time to use the discount code. It only uses once, so once you've used the discount code, you cannot use it again. So make sure it counts and make sure you use it wisely. It ends on the end of Christmas Eve, so happy shopping guys and Merry Christmas. So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I hope you use the discount code as well, because that is my gift to you guys as well. I do have a discount code from work as well, which I get more money off, but we have a discount code for you guys and for my friends and family as well, so I thought I would treat you guys as well. So if you guys want to treat yourself to some skincare products, new makeup products, I know there's loads of collaborations on Revolution. They are so beautiful and absolutely incredible. The only thing is the discount code does not work on sale products. It does not work on discounted products only. It has to be full price for the discount code to work. So without further ado, I will leave everything in the description box below for you guys. Everything about Glossybox will be in the description box. Also the discount code for you guys as well, just in case you didn't read it on the screen. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. So I love you guys so much. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell and next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.